All right, geometry students, let's look at Unit 3, Lesson 8. Are they all similar? So we're going to test whether similarity moves between different figures and such with proofs a little bit more. I can critique proofs that use similarity. I can write proofs using the definition of similarity. So here we're going to look at proofs using similarity and figure out what's good about them, what's bad about them, how to make them better, and then use that knowledge to write our own. Again, our vocabulary is similar, so that's the use of rigid transformations and dilation to take an image and put it onto another image that's not exactly the same size, and show that they have very similar traits. All right, so for this warm-up, you're going to look at these two rectangles. I have rectangle Q and rectangle R. If you want, draw this drawing. It doesn't need to be perfect, but I have a question. Are these rectangles similar? So would you say that rectangle Q and R are similar? Yes or no? So rectangle Q is A to B to C to D and then back to A. So there's Q. And then rectangle R is E to F to G to H and back to E. And if they are or aren't similar, explain how you know your answer is correct. Please bring your answers or your information for the warm-up to class tomorrow, and that'll start our discussion. Thanks.